the black beans. I ain't gonna do some
MUKBANG.
Yeah. We're gonna do some McDonald's, try out some new food. You know what I'm saying? With boys from Ohio, some boys from you know what I'm saying? We're from all over from Africa, so today we're gonna try some American food. You know what I'm saying? We got some stuff from McDonald's. We got some mac chicken.
Domino, what about you?
We got some mac chicken. We got some chicken wings from dominos, and we also got some fries in this shit. You feel me? Bro, stop loving the make up. I'm trying to talk.
Alright.
Let me
talk. I got.
Yeah. Bro, let me talk. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? We also got some fries. You know. So today we gonna try out, but we gonna let Martin start first. He gonna rate his burger how it tastes, you know, 1 to 10. He gonna rate out.
Oh yeah, we forgot to mention this one.
Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets, accept that, bro. Come on now. Yeah,
I'll try
it first, and you tell us how you rate it. Yeah.
Hey, we got just some chicken wings.
Yeah. Yeah.
How is it?
How was that?
How is it? What the heck is this?
Bro,
I feel like you kind of like a little salt in it.
So what's the number you give us though?
I give it 8.2.
8.2. We gonna lie, come on, you see what I'm saying, bro? Bro, look at this nigga, bro. Savage ass nigga. We haven't get started that shit, bro. Fuck about with you.
What the heck is this?
Bro,
Barbecue.
Barbecue, bro. Bro,
I'm gonna try chicken nuggets.
he gonna try some chicken nuggets, and he gonna try out the wings. Yup, he already started, even though he didn't tell him to start yet, but cool. How much you give that?
I'll give it
6. A 6?
Why?
Why give it a 6?
You put ketchup on it?
Yeah.
It tastes good.
Oh, yeah,
It's like somebody.
Okay, let me tell you.
Ketchup's like here, bro. You got ketchup. Yeah.
This is like rice and beans.
You said what? What are you saying, bro?
Okay, now you just I'll give it 10.
10? How is your...
Man, this is bossy, bro. Especially with the ranch one.
Yeah. What you give it, bro? Oh my god. What you give that, bro?
I really was 10 out of 10, bro.
10 out of 10?
Let's try again.
And I hear when you try some fries and shit, you know what I'm saying?
Wait.
So,
We want to say something.
what?
We all single.
That's what we all say.
Don't even.
Bro, what if I... Never mind.
Oh.
Single.
Yeah,
Bro,
right.
trash, bro. Right, your mama, bro. Put that shit here. Damn. Let's stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me. Alright. What you gonna do? Alright. Let's see.
Me, I'll give it I feel like French fries tastes better like if you put ketchup.
Bro, man, I feel like it's just better.
This is Yeshua, but Yeshua fish everything.
I feel like you would eat all of this, bro.
Oh God.
I feel like I think the guy likes ketchup on it.
I feel like it's just better.
Oh, I couldn't make it was on the day today, so you know.
Yeah, y'all saw us on the days. Couple was afraid we couldn't make it today. My little boy, he had a day.
Munga is here, but he's just shy.
And Munga, he couldn't make it because he said
He did. He's shy.
He said his girl. He said his girl gonna go kill him. You see him on TV. I'm like, what is this supposed to be? Like, you know what I'm saying? But me, I might give the fries like a 2 because I feel like it tastes better when it's hot. When you big coals,
I'll probably give it 1.
Shit, it's nasty.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
But you were still gonna eat it though.
Bro, come on now. Hell yeah, what are you talking about?
Like a baby.
So we're gonna start this side now. I'm gonna taste the burger, then I'm gonna rate it. You know what I'm saying? Then you gonna taste the burger, you gonna rate it. Then he gonna taste the burger, you gonna rate it. And you already do the same thing. So you go the chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
Alright. Should I eat all of it or just a bite?
Yep. 2 bites.
No.
Okay.
Sprite tastes so good, man. Oh my God. Excuse me.
Bro, come on now, man. Come on now, bro.
Excuse me. Excuse me. It's supposed to be 1 bite.
Yeah,
45 minutes. I mean, seconds.
Why you always lying?
Man, chickens
I ate it for 1 minute, right? You know that, right?
Man, chickens over quick, bro.
Hard to leave.
They got a 10 out of 10, bro.
10 out of
All
10.
on point.
But if you put it ketchup in it.
Of course, everything he likes is on ketchup.
Oh,
Everything.
hey, yo, what's the name about that?
Of course, everything.
Oh, everything. Oh my god. Yeah. What you give it?
Oh, let me test it too.
9 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Why?
Why?
It's a bit cold. I like when it's hot.
Yeah.
So let me show you guys how you eat chicken.
Hey!
Ketchup on there, bro. Everything, bro.
Bro, come on, that's, oh my god, bro. Hey, what you give it?
What you give me?
This taking so long, bro. Damn.
I'll give it 10. One one.
He said what you want.
I mean, for real, I'll give it 10.
Actually, one
Because this ketchup.
one.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh shit. What about two?
Okay.
I already finished my shit.
Oh my
God!
not ready, boy. Not
Dude, hey,
you got this, bro. Alright, guys, okay. Only for
Because I was the first one that tried it.
2 minutes.
No, you weren't.
Yeah, I was the first
Oh,
one.
yeah,
That's why I was the
yeah,
first one that tried it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was the first one.
Bro, he's already finished mine. Come on now.
Oh yeah, that's not ready now. Who should start asking questions?
So now, I didn't.
Nah. Who ready?
Yo,
Okay, so now it's time to.
when did you get your first girlfriend, bro?
Bro,
Mind your business, bro.
Come on, I gotta answer the question.
me?
Business, bro.
Oh yeah, when was your first kiss? You. So,
I mean,
yes, you.
Don't have the camera.
I'm not lying.
So, my first kiss was yesterday. Bro, what are you talking about yesterday, bro? Ain't nothing happened yesterday, bro. He was like, my first kiss, he was back in Africa, you know what I'm saying?
When I say at your parents, like a girl.
Now, oh, love the girl, bro. Back in Africa, back here for that year, because I was a kid, you know what I'm saying?
You said kid. Yeah.
Bro, stop talking, I ain't no kid. Yeah, so it was back in Africa. I did a couple in America, and yep. What's up with you?
Me?
Yeah, you. Your first kiss.
When I was born by my mother.
Nah, we're not talking about mothers, bro. We
Okay.
don't got kisses from mothers, bro. We're talking about girls.
Oh, okay. I think it was. Oh yeah, I was at a wedding. You remember?
Oh yeah.
What?
At the wedding, bro.
Yeah. Did I mention her name though?
At the wedding.
Yes. No, you are a DJ.
Oh,
Yeah.
shit.
That's my first kiss.
That's it. Oh, my God.
That was in 2020. Or 2021.
Dude.
You're big, man. You're big.
You still you in this business. God.
That was 2020.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When was that?
How I knew?
Bro, we did this.
To be honest with you, like my first kiss, like 8 or 9. To be honest with you, like
What period?
Bro, I was
2016.
7.
Yeah, 2016. I was
6.
8.
You.
Six.
You. Bro, stop capping.
I'm not even joking with you.
Stop capping.
It was like this.
Hey, yo, come on now.
We all know that's
Yo,
cap.
stop being nasty.
We all know that's cat.
We all know that's cap. Of course, that's cap. He never kissed a girl before. You know
No, it's-
that. Bro, it's
It's
not
not
that.
jokes, like, oh, just a side note.
Yeah.
When I was 10.
You said what?
When I was 10.
10. Yeah, that's what's up.
Who?
That's what's up.
2016. Yeah.
Who'd you look at? Where are you?
Yeah.
Who'd you?
One more question though. You got a girl?
Huh?
You got a girl?
Oh, I'm single, y'all. So DM me, my times on Instagram.
Yeah, you got a girl.
All of us are single. All of us are single, bro. Yes, all of us. Look at your
Bro, you go. Oh my god, bro. How about you, bro?
I'm single. I'm ready to mingle.
Hey, yo.
Diablo.
Yo, some.
I'm ready to be called baby. Can you come to my house?
Hey, yo,
Is it
you
the-
know everybody be watching this, right?
Hey, I can be honest.
Oh my god, y'all niggas some shit for real. Yeah,
I think I'm done.
Yeah.
Well, by the way, go to follow us on Facebook.
Hold on. Bro, y'all play truth or dare?
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Huh?
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Alright, truth or dare?
I ain't a punk. There.
Okay.
And then you put your watch right now.
He ain't got his
Oh,
phone.
yeah.
Can you bring your phone, bro?
I need my phone.
Oh shit.
This time.
Next time.
Who's like
Truth or dare? Okay. I dare you.
who?
Just
Oh, I know this is still me, bro. Oh, man.
Let me see how to go there, bro. Damn. Money is good on everything, bro. He's crazy. He can do anything.
anything.
So I'm trying to think the one that he will not do. The one that he will not do.
So I said, bro, out.
I need my phone.
Yo,
I didn't bring my phone. I
In person.
In person.
Yeah, y'all got to the same school, right? I said, girl, out in person. After school.
Meaning like
After school,
if you
bro.
think that there is like right now, not like tomorrow. No, it's like right now.
Shit, sir, man.
Yeah, that's like there is, not like tomorrow.
Yeah, fuck. I ain't got no good dares right now. What you got? What you got for him?
I don't see what-
What the hell? What you gonna dare him?
Okay.
You don't got one. So.
Okay. No, I do. Show me your ex-girlfriend then.
Show you. I don't got my phone.
Come here.
No,
Come here.
your
On Instagram.
ex-girlfriend's
Come
name.
here.
Oh, tell her.
Yeah,
Me, tell me.
Tell us your ex-girlfriend's
Oh.
name.
Which one?
Your ex that's just broke up with.
Oh.
No, that one like who lived in K. You remember? Show me your Instagram because like it was like hide everything.
I don't got my.
No.
Her
name, bro. Her name is enough. Her name is enough, bro.
Let me ask you my exes. What's my call it? What? Why?
Why?
I forgot.
Hey, it's a bear, bro.
Hers is like a long name. I forgot.
What's her name, bro?
I forgot it's a long name.
What's her name?
I don't remember.
That there was for you to tell us her name. What's her name?
Her name. Oh, her name.
Yeah.
Her name.
Yeah.
Her name is.
My
My last breakup or my last breakup.
Yeah, your last.
That one
like you just broke up with.
Oh.
Yeah. Come
Alright. Her name is.
What's her name, bro?
Why you taking so long?
Why take so long, bro? Is this
It's okay if you're watching this video, man. It's
her
okay.
name, bro?
Alright. Her name is.
Bro! Come on, bro. Tell me what's going on.
What's her name, bro?
What's her name?
What's her name?
Alright. Let me type her.
No. You tell us her name, bro.
Yo, say it, bro.
You gotta say.
Oh, it's there.
Yeah, you gotta do it, bro.
Her name is.
We're gonna talk to
What's her name, bro?
Mwenge Alisa.
Like, when you guys broke up?
How was that? How was that like so hard, bro?
How?
What y'all break up for?
Whoa, that's my business. Why you my business, bro?
Go.
You didn't hear me that?
Okay.
Running back business, I'm understand, man.
Damn.
Okay, it's my turn now.
Yeah. What's your ex-girlfriend's name, bro?
Me?
Yeah.
Actually, I don't have ex-girlfriend, so. Damn.
What you mean?
That's sad. I'm not.
What you mean you don't have ex-girlfriend?
We broke up, it's over. I don't come to you as my ex.
Bro, what you said?
We moved on. Listen, don't say this, right? Listen, we broke up, we moved on.
But she's still your ex, though.
How?
Cause you
We did not kiss.
Bro.
We did not kiss even like, we did not hang out, bro.
Yeah, they talking about what kind of
Yeah.
What days that?
I don't know how you talking. I don't know how you talking.
Well, what's the friend's name? Yeah, your ex-friend's name.
Yeah, it's one name.
I mean, that was in Africa, so.
What's her name? Oh shit, that long, bro.
Wrong.
Dang.
How about 10 years?
Damn.
I think that was in 2017.
2014. God damn.
Come on, you walk, go. How about you go? Oh, yeah, how about,
Bro,
Okay, Samuel.
Samuel, bro. Who's your ex-girlfriend's name?
Shit. You know me? I have a lot of them, so you know, I can't think of
Yeah, bro,
I
shut
can't
up,
think of
bro.
I can't even think of
Bro,
Football player.
Hey.
Yeah, I can't even think of
Bro, shut up, bro.
Wait, give me a second. Which one should I say?
Your
That's cap. Oh god, that's cap. Bro.
What do you want?
Yeah.
What do you want?
I can make $100. That's cap. I don't say that thing. I don't say that.
Why? It's like there. It's like there.
Yeah, I didn't say true.
It's like there.
I didn't say true. Okay. Draw there. What? There. It's
Yeah, it's there. What's the name, bro? You can't
change it. You can't change it. Yours is there.
Wait, what did you say?
Truth or dare, you pick there.
There.
I said true.
That's yo, what's her name? What's her name?
You see how we play.
What's her name? Just say you never had a girlfriend before. We understand. You know what I'm saying? We understand, bro. We understand.
Guarda che cosi.
What's her name, bro?
I just said it.
Huh?
No, she didn't.
Say it again.
Say it again, bro.
Ella.
Ella.
American name. Wait, she's Asian? Oh. Who this Asian, man? I'm not watching that. Oh shit. I forgot that.
No! Oh, god damn! Oh my god, bro. Hell nah. Y'all some shit. For real. Damn. Bro, why would you say that, bro? It's racist.
I got that.
That's business, man.
I you guys don't talk about it, that's why. Okay.
Oh my
Yeah.
god, bro.
She want me.
Yeah, okay.
She want me. What jump? I mean,
What's
up there doing?
What is he doing, bro?
How about Chomba? Chomba for it.
Just there. Look up.
There.
Oh.
What?
You
Okay, you have a phone with you, right? I thought you spoil your crush right now.
It's like there, like
Right now, gang. Right now.
Ah!
Can I think I'm gonna give you?
Right now, but what if I don't have a crush though?
Yeah, you do.
you do. We know
For
it,
sure he
bro.
does, for sure. Come here. Let me make it easier.
Bro. Hey!
Okay.
It's like there, bro.
Okay, it's
Alright.
okay.
That's cool.
The clock is ticking, bro.
Hurry up, man. Hurry up.
Please don't pick
No, just say that. Just say this, right? I was just gonna say hi and see how you doing. Can you be my? I mean, go.
Ah, no, bro, you should just
No. We're going on dates.
Bro.
We're going on dates.
No,